Ooh, okay, let's go. So, each year at IVB is all about a dedicated focus. The first year for us is about making sure you have the strong foundations of all the good things that an entrepreneur needs, all the key skills. And we are trying to achieve this through great experiential classroom learning. Classrooms? Yes, those painful places that we all hate and we are worried about in college life. We are trying our best to make it different for you. Where do we start? It's the person who holds the classroom. It's the professor. Instead of having an academic professor, we're going to have someone from the industry. Remember, in my time, a professor used to teach 19 out of the 20 lectures, and for one would get an industry expert. We are bringing the difference, not at 5%, but can we have the entire 100% of the course done by someone who's a true practitioner, who's been in those high pressure situations, who's scaled businesses, who's worked with technology. These are people from Apple, Microsoft, HUL, venture capital firms, heck, even someone who's built GTA 6. Wow, right? Think about this. These are people who are shaping tomorrow. Let's say if you wanted to promote somebody, are you going to tell them to read a book and write an exam? No. Therefore, learning at IVB is also different. It's not just about attending sessions, but these are sessions which are loaded with simulations, role plays, debates, case studies. We are wanting you to feel entrepreneurship, live entrepreneurship. Think of it, 2 months at IVB could be equivalent to 2 years at a B school, at an MBA. And this is how we break down our course. We have 3 critical areas, so business, people and technology. And if you think about it, these are the 3 elements which make any business, right? They are the 3 core pillars of entrepreneurship, and therefore this is how our interdisciplinary program is actually created. So within business, we are looking at all aspects of business: marketing, finance, supply chain, strategy. And the idea is, how do we get business running? What's the ticker? What's driving business? How do we create value using business models and supply chains? So all the way from talking to the customers, identifying them, figuring out unit economics. In terms of technology, we are not trying to make everybody a coder. There is definitely a lighter track on technology for people who are wanting to be proficient in building simpler products, quickly want a GTM, want to set up their business. In case that there are people who are looking at building complex products, then there is more enhanced coding available to you. On the people side, it's all about communication, psychology, sociology, what biases you have, how do you hold an audience, how do you hold investors, how do you pitch the idea, how do you build your brand on social media. Because in today's world, your company is very closely associated to your brand. Your year 1 is also about the whole point of unlearning. A lot of us come to college having only one in life. We are going to change it for you. Why? Because entrepreneurship in most days, and I'm an entrepreneur myself, is about losing more often than winning. So we're going to put you into absolutely uncomfortable positions. You're going to be competing every day inside the classroom and outside the classroom. And that's when you will learn how to deal with your failure. After all of this in year 1, you're out there in the world in year 2 to go and rule the world. Really make it happen. And are we saying classrooms are done? Not really, but you know what? Even if I get Elon Musk today to come and teach you entrepreneurship, do you think it's going to make a difference? Maybe a little bit, but all is with you. It's about how you apply your skills and what do you learn and how do you implement it in building real life businesses. Because I'm going to tell you something very, very important today. Your future, my future, the country's future, the world's future, it depends on the next wave of job creators. The world no longer needs job seekers. We need people who create new jobs, new companies and businesses of the future. So if you're interested, please apply to IVB's undergraduate program in entrepreneurship. It will change your life. Best of luck.